Hi guys, I'm Louis. Welcome to the 68th video of the series. And today is to improve my English. And this is the backup video for the 68 days. In this day, I have back to hometown. First, join some party, and second is to meet my parents, my family, and my lovely cutie dogs. And in this day is the meeting party, the party before the wedding of the next house. He is the son of the neighbor, my neighbor, and they have he will make a wedding on the next day. Yeah, so in this day when I back to home about afternoon, in mid-afternoon, about 12 o'clock, and in the next house they have a huge stereo, and he play remix music, so I feel so very tired. And today I have back to come to visit my grandparents. They are my parents of my mother. Yeah, and she's still cute, and they still lovely, and the best is they still strong. It makes me very happy. Yeah, and in this day my grandmom in Mỹ Tho City go to my home and join a dỗ party of the father-in-law of my aunt. And so in the same way, so she visit my home, and she is my father's mother. Yeah, this is the video of today. Goodbye, see you in the next video. See ya.